Look closely at the lower left and you'll see a marbled murrelet dive underwater and attack a writhing ball of herring or anchovies. Whoa, that's a humpback whale that terminates the fish buffet for the day for the seagulls and murrelets. At least one guy gets a fistful of fish. The marbled murrelet is both a forest bird and a seabird that dives and swims expertly well while feeding on zooplankton and fish. This incredible bird inhabits coastal waters from the Aleutians in southern Alaska all the way down to the California border with Mexico. Unlike many seabirds that nest in burrows on offshore islands, marbled murrelets nest in old-growth forest along the coast, mostly from northern California to Alaska. These wet ecosystems have produced some of the largest and tallest trees in the world. Its nest wasn't discovered until 1974. The reason is that it makes a nest high in monster trees, like 60 meters up. That's 200 feet up there, and it only makes them in old ancient trees. That height gives them protection from many predators, but not all. A single egg is laid, and both male and female change color at nesting time, becoming cryptic brown with a mottled pattern. Since it feeds offshore, people knew it well out there and gave it the name fogbird or foglart. Murrelets actually call a lot when they're out at sea, but when they come into their nest, they are absolutely quiet. Since marbled murrelets only nest in old-growth forests, which are often in isolated patches deep inland, they have to fly 50 kilometers or more sometimes to get to their fishing grounds offshore. They have the longest commute of any seabird parent. Their conservation is complicated because not many old-growth forests with mammoth trees exist anymore. People's insatiable need for lumber and ever-growing population puts the future of this amazing little bird at risk.